How to use Twitter X Premium features in 2026? Well, to use X Premium features in 2026, you want to subscribe to a tier, basic at $3 per month, premium at $8 per month, or the premium plus at $40 per month via a web browser, or you can head over to the account on the web or such, or the app, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, and then click on this option here that says premium. Once you do so here, you'll be able to see how you want it. You can see monthly and annual. What you want, you can choose your premium or premium plus and then proceed to subscribe it, and you'll be able to see the premium features right there before you subscribe. So verified checkmark, enhanced Grok access, you can create custom timelines, advanced analytics, less ads in your feed, boosted replies, you can write articles and get paid to post as well, and you'll also see here other. So hope this video was helpful. Till like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.